Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on cosine ratio worksheets. So this video presents two worksheets on the cosine ratio, and if you're not sure how to proceed or how to answer some of the questions, we've had a lesson on this very topic. If you click on the link on the last slide, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. I'll leave this particular slide on for about a minute or so before I move on to the next slide, but you can pause this slide for as long as you like. I'll move on to the next slide now, and here it is. And I'll leave it on for about a minute or so before I move on to the next slide. I'll move on to the last slide now, and you can click on the link if you need any help.